if you are using XAMPP and trying to upgrade the WordPress, then if you get that kind of error, and this is really easy to fix. I'm using XAMPP on my Mac machine, so I need to go to the XAMPP and then open the php.ini file and then change the value of the execution time in there, and it will fix that immediately. So first you have to go to the installation folder of the XAMPP. You will find that XAMPP under your applications, then XAMPP, go to etc, then php.ini. Just open that using any editor. I am using the VS Code. Now find the execution time variable in here. Search for the execution time. So I'm going to change that 300 seconds. Save the file. Now you have to restart your XAMPP. Open the XAMPP. So just now go to manage servers, and you need to restart this Apache web server. Click on the restart. It will take 30 seconds to 1 minute to complete the restarting process. Now everything is restarted. Back to your site, click on the update. Now it's updating. Everything is working pretty well, no problem. Now WordPress updated to 6.4.1 version. This way you can easily update the execution time for XAMPP in your local environment. I hope this tutorial helps. Thanks for watching.